Hello traders, I am so sorry for not updating you on my competition account for a while now. My PC had an issue which I am still trying to fix. Hopefully I will sort the issue soon so that I will update you regularly as I trade the 100k competition account from my funded FX. Well, this video is not to show you my trades but to show you and to prove to you all that my funded FX is the best prop firm and it is the prop firm for you. On their website, one of the first thing you will see is that you can manage up to 600k in trading capital and you will receive 80% of the profit. And also here, when you click this, it will take you to a page where you can register, and here is the link to their Discord, which is also very active, and it's also trusted by professional traders. One of the benefits of trading with my funded FX is that there's no maximum trading days, unlimited trading days on all the plan types and all phases. So when you purchase a challenge, you don't have to rush to trade in order to meet up with the trading days, and also no minimum trading days. That is to say, you can pass the challenge in as little as 2 days and you will get funded. Another benefit is that they don't have any style restrictions and they don't have any consistency rules. That is, you are free to trade however you want. So one of the first steps for you to do is to register, and then you take a challenge. When you take a challenge, you will get verified. After you pass the first challenge, you will establish yourself as a consistent trader and move to the verification step with a 5% profit target, and then you will get funded. And once proven, you can successfully trade their capital and get up to 80% of the profit split. When it comes to payout, they have various types of payout. You can choose to use deal, and also you can choose to use PayPal here. You choose to use Pioneer, Revolt, or Wise. You can also choose to use the bank transfer to make your withdrawals or your crypto. So you can see here they have different forms of withdrawal, which is a very good thing. This is a tweet they tweeted, and it lists out some of the reasons why they are the best. The first one is the no time limit, which you can trade for as long as you want. The second is the no inactivity rule. So if you purchase a challenge and you're not ready to start trading right away, you can leave the account. You can come back anytime to trade the account. And the next is the no news restriction. For those that love trading news, here is one of the benefits of my funded FX. You can trade news, and also the no consistency rules. The next is the no stop loss and take profit rule. Wow, how good can this be? And also no swing restrictions. This is for the swing traders. EA is allowed for those who use expert advisors. This is for you. If you love using EAs, then my funded FX is the prop firm for you. Crypto trading is also allowed, and also free competitions with cash and challenge prizes. Now, as you all know, I am trading one of their competition account, which is the 100k account, which they do give cash and challenge prizes. And second to the last benefit here on this tweet is that they have automated payouts, that you don't have to wait for days before you get your payout. And also they have the best customer service out there. The second to the last reason we just looked at about their automated payouts. Now here is a tweet where they tweeted that the development team is finished. They will be rolling out the new feature this week. That is, as soon as withdrawal is requested, you will instantly be able to continue trading your funded account while waiting for the money to hit the bank. No more waiting. Now that is automated trading for you. Still on the automation, now after passing phase 1 with my funded FX, you instantly receive your phase 2 credentials and you can begin trading right away. Here is also a tweet. This is when they tweeted this, that we can get our credentials as soon as we pass our challenges. No more waiting. Time is money. Now, one of the good things is that for traders who are not able to get funds to purchase an account, here is a tweet where, and I believe with what they said they are the firm that pioneered giveaways. They are also the first firm to give away fully funded accounts, and now in their own words, we will opt to give away full funded accounts to influencer partners. If you want to give away fully funded accounts to your audience, DM us and let's do it. If you want to give away accounts to your audience and followers, you can just DM them. On many occasions, I've seen them give away loads and loads and loads of free accounts to traders who got lucky in their giveaway. So every week they give away free accounts to their followers. Here is another tweet they tweeted about an update. The first one is Think Market MT5 challenges goes live Monday 15th, and also the second update is TradingView indicators beta version launching the following week. My funded FX will be launching an indicator on TradingView. I am so excited about this. The third one is 50% off promo ends today, and I can remember a time they give 50% off promotion for 10k accounts, and here is the last update I will be showing you in their own words. Now here is the tweet they tweeted. Reminded of the newly released VIP program designed to reward the most consistent traders with additional perks. This is a program for the most consistent of their customers. So after this video, I need you to quickly register on my funded FX. You can get the link in the description of this video so that you can get a challenge for yourself and trade and get funded and then get a payout. So hope to see you soon on the leaderboard. Thanks for watching.